Hey science lovers, it's Becky with Lab Rat Academy, and we are doing an amazing dogfish dissection. They are currently opening up the coelom, the abdominal area.
So this is the liver. Since dogfish sharks and other species of sharks have no air bladder, their liver is special and it produces lots of oil to help them float since oil is lighter than water. And it also produces bile. And this is the stomach, and then it passes through the intestines, which is a spiral valve, which it goes in a spiral to make the food stay longer in the intestines so that it can digest it better. And this is the pancreas, which produces digestive enzymes. And this is the spleen, which cleans the shark's blood by filtering out bacteria.
An amazing adaptation for a shark is to have this rectal gland. This takes the salt out of the blood. And they even documented all the different structures that they were able to identify. Wow, science is so amazing. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. God bless you. Bye-bye.